Iyamu may reach the table. I beg my good paddy pastor. I come beg you one thing. If you go here, make here. If you know 1 year is left for you, I beg pastor. Leave the governor of Edo State. Leave him for waste. Leave him alone. Now your picky. Now your picky. You are one of the people who bring and leave him alone. Now do I dey beg because all those propaganda wey dey Europe here. Pastor, you dey among the under the carpet. I'm just begging you so I beg. May you leave them for body. Leave our city governor with the executive governor. Leave them for waste, pastor. Oh, we cannot use pastor Iyamu. You know, as you try, we the APC diaspora belong to the governor in diaspora in Europe. For some days, may I just say some days, where will they fight concerning your position? You doesn't send anybody message. You doesn't pass a message say thank you to una. You know they. But the way the adjournment come, the same thing. As far as say the table don't turn, if the table turn, paddy, I beg, take everything easy. As table turn, so you know say something the way they follow table, if table turn, something the way they follow am. But that way they follow table if it turn. When I know they tell people say we did they go on more. Now the bar side, now they tell with the dose, and which is very bad. I can't beg you. Many things there. As far as say na radio they talk and say word, they say radio they talk and say word don't finish. As far as say the city governor, do not know now una game, na politics. Una know and they do one. As far as say the gate turn us down, may you step down, mellow down, tell people say may they calm. Instead of to pass back the bad the city governor who is call your own. Now yourself is the bite. I'm just begging you. The way we stand for you, that's the way I come out now and speak to you with my ogbonge, Mr. Pastor Iyamu. Please, underground what will they do? Tell your people they should stop to respect our city governor. You know how this governor they try now. You know the kind of work where they work now. Look at road, look at market where they do so. Huh? Is it I know. Oh, una way be elderly man so if they have before now, they always they give now say respect. Till waste more piggy or piggy they insult you now before now condemn now left or right, and which is very bad. I'm just begging you, leave the city governor alone so that may do the work we want to for with the those. He's trying. We don't say yes, you try as we take brigand and through you, but now your son. Anything where the table take turn, you have to abide to the way. You cannot more than the city governor. You cannot more than the protocols. You understand me now? I'm just begging you. You see the way we the Edo to stand for you that day. Now that way now me they talk to you. So now they advise you so. As our pastors, I beg, take everything easy. If something they bitter, to chop and approve, but if you don't chop it, don't enter your stomach. You know the bitter for inside stomach again. And so I say, it don't happen like this. You know, say something cannot go without nothing. They must compensate you. If they compensate, if anything will say to you now, you know, can't tell the way the diaspora say, see as it happen. Say more take this one, more take this one, more do this one. No, now your pocket see they go. Una they benefit for the government. As far as on the benefit, no as you go sit down for her, you not go sit down for her, may not benefit anything for the Okwebu. You must benefit, my loving sister. What I told you any year, you must see benefit something from the Okwebu. You see as everything comes in and see the way our this our city governor say stop all those courses by where most of our sisters, small sisters where they enter marriage or they become a widow. Look at the way they stop her now. Look at the way they push stop for kidnapping. All those now, you see the talk of all those one chance. We just carry our mother, our brother, our sister money for inside keke nape or inside mini bus. All those one chance for one now. There was more than the kidnapper. All those one chance, there was more than kidnapper. See that woman wey go bank that day and I take 100,000, the way they take the 100,000 for inside motor. All those they are law of this one chance. E suppose me be the law where you see catch all those kidnappers, because they are worse more than kidnapper. I beg my chairman, pastor, I'm begging you, Mona leave the city governor. The kind plan wey you get for with the Edo, the way you want to maintain Edo, the way you want to come everywhere for Edo State, Mona leave am. I beg. Me not think or say table not turn. That's so they not give position, they give position. They give position, they don't give position. You know, say something cannot go to nothing. They must still tell you, say, pass or take. Now time you take waste your time. You understand me now? You will know like that now. Huh? You self, you pastor, you be still CG man. Upon the way with the diaspora say fight for your office. You know, if you come and say, I must salute them for me, I do well for my body. Money not be everything. Money not be everything. And when they give for the government, when I don't want me and other person to give. Look at the way outside your be now. Many noise year and year. So they thought say why people go to receive 300,000. Some people say why they go receive this one. Why they don't go receive government money? Not be our money. People wey dey chop the money for Nigeria, they pass us. Whether you be working class man, you not be working class man. Whether you are working class woman, you not be working class woman. If the opportunity come for you, take care as e reach. If you get children for Nigeria, or you get brothers, or you get sister, anywhere they do campaign, anywhere they want go cover anything, no be money they spend. If na that money you see they take the help people, is it not a good thing? Nobody will want to say, you know, they chop government money. No, you vex not take back. No, you ma vex not take back. That's it. Now say they be all parties. Now say they be. Why be say PCO now? Where you just pass or 2 days ago now everywhere. Go. Begin they saw the elderly. Both the one will not be elderly. No respect. Come, small pikin wey dey insult the elderly one. No, they say you be Oduma. Nobody will be Oduga. You all see the comfort front. The time they come with small pikin, begin call you, sit down, begin to insult you. That time go they pay you for body. Say wetin this boy or wetin this man or wetin this woman they do so. But you know, can't remember the time when they insult the elderly people. That time say they pay. Not be so. If the table turn reach your area, collect am. If you no even turn reach your area, leave am. I not blame nobody. I not blame anybody. Now those wey can't give you now the contract now they blame. Whether una naso, una talko, una not talko, you not get anything to do with our city governor or our executive governor. Lie. Everybody know the game. We know as it be. Not be the one una want talk. They stop for here to tomorrow. Now I want affect the governor. No, my brother, sit down and compose about your own too. Sit down and make sure you fight against the way you take the collect your own too. If not for the government or if not for other party, all win away. Instead of me we dey insult ourselves. You dey say now they start until they say maybe they service people or they put person for SSA or SSB, SSE, SSZ, diaspora. Not be today. It don't take. Not be more the okpebo na want to end down. The time with diaspora they cry since then say at the way they take work. Now they our money. Now we take the work, they buy data, they send people up and down for Nigeria. When I not talk, when I begin to laugh. But small something come now, whether big or small, the respect still there. But now still come and see they laugh people. Not be so, brother. Not be so. Not be everything. Anything you just happen, you just beat chest, everything you just beat chest. No. It gets to the way go happen, you dodge am, not bring your chest come out. If they come to you say, I beg, carry this one and go that. If not me, I will do more than this. You understand? If not me, I will do more than this. This will not be waiting. I will fit talk. All those people they suffer for the campaign. If anything come that again, leave them alone. That be every matter that they chest. This one will come, this one will come, this one will come. All those some people will say, why they going to take money? Why they not going to take money? All the people they work. Why we not going to take? Why we not go take? Even than 1 naira and money. The money we me spend for them, not be me be city governor, not be me be local government chairman and big council where they receive our money. Why me go to spend money for notice that we turn and not get anything back? At that I said the governor remember us. Now good things. So if you now see need something, now see contact some of the people say they say something do because the time where your own come you don't remember. I bet something do you say okay take you go still throw some give you. You still take am. If not be that one you need, why body go they pay you, brother? Why body go they pay you, sister? All those things are part of the grace to we. Other people they collect am, not be only with the Edos, and not be only the Edos na dey diaspora. Many people do with the diaspora, but with the Edo now one come turn and say Edo people now they did this one, now do this one. Now know they see people where they use this party money take the build us. Now know they see people where they use party money take the sponsor a family to Europe, carry all your family to Europe. Now this one I want to say na beginner. Now this one I want to say na new thing again. Brother, you get what you na go dey talk, eh? Now supposed to know say not be now this thing they exist. They pray, make the table sit on to your area. Some people dey, we go dey follow them, they do campaign, they do politics something. Common 100,000 not go reach in hand. The one we see receive, see say Papa God you do well. Mona leave there for your waste, leave there alone. All those talk, you not get anything to do with our city governor or our executive governor. No. More, eh? No nya wezo wo boekun itayi eke eva no roda wa that talk na for talk for here no dey get anything abi you wan talk be the carry talk you carry and go court say why they service the media people na people na that all those people that dey work. Some people they thought it because of pastor say Iyamu issue na because of that one na I can remember that but na lie more na the understand so the phone na the big issue. As I say, still the time we want to remember the diaspora, remember them. Many work they how way they do since then. It's step by step. This one will talk you, 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 this one will talk you. This one say na so 300, this one say 1,000, this one say na 600. Anyone will come, mona forget. No be una o, then una need there among the people. If no one mona need, the mona come work with our governor for the good way they do for the Edo state. Yes, of course. The good thing our governor they do for this, Mona come on and second job, most they receive them together. Now the good thing they do, Abi, you know they happy the way he stuffed all those coaches, back. Abi they happy say our sisters, our brother they back, our sister becoming widows, kidnap everywhere. Since where he put all those laws, then since where this governor to stand by the word, you know, since everywhere they come for those states, none of they happy. Now you see everywhere they come, apart from all those one chance people, all those 419 one chance where they carry people money, all those one they are dangerous more than all those kidnappers. They are dangerous more than all those robberies. Because all those people, if they see people who get money, they push them for inside motor, they'll go for. The go make them see pass law concern all those one chance people money where they carry people, all those one chance people. Anywhere they carry one chance, if they get house or anything where they get to, oh yeah, because they pay people money, they don't go no say that people go there on pay. So make they go the struggle. If they don't see any work, well make they go village, go to work, make they go to carry farm. Not be bad like that. They want to become a millionaire. Now people money, all those people they carry where they one chance so they struggle for the money. Why they just come stranded like that for nothing say, I beg my Edo people, Mo will be our brother, our sister keeper. No papa for everywhere. No papa for everywhere. I beg you now. We dey beg you now. Mona leave our city governor alone. May focus of everything they happen for Edo. Where go they make all this smile? No go they make all this smile. I beg. Mona leave the governor alone. The governor is doing well now. If they arrange everything, not because of say if they remember the diaspora that they trade this thing. No. The time where everybody go dey cry here, you go hear this thing, they say, that's so the 1 4 for this side, 2 4 for that side, 3 4 for this side. With people going go dey back, but they don't reach 6 feet again. Now 3 feet that they reach, is it a good thing to win the Edos? But now since last year, I go Nigeria, I spend close to about 5 months. Our cars are like day and night, nothing. Nobody disturb for outside. Why I not go say governor not do well? He do well. He go begin to do and they do and they do and they go. The one way you never remember to do, you go remember to do am. The one wey una need say make governor take make wey do, una go remember and say governor, see this one, as me dey complain for all those one chance 419. All the people with 419 one chance, they too dey do people. They too dey frustrate people. All those one chance. If you see one woman where I see one day where they carry money, they push her for inside motor, see all your body pee. That one begin to cry. All those one chance people. So they use minibus, so they use keke napep, so they use awudi, many things where they use. I beg, Mona put stuff for this one chance. The law wey go guard this one chance people maybe the same law wey guard all those kidnapping and cultists, because they are dangerous more than all those people. If you even look at all those one chance people, these people now one of the people wey dey do kidnapping na they be. Yes, they work more than the kidnapper people. All those one chance people. Abeg, na that one wetin we need. Now we suppose to dey carry the craft make governor with our executive governor the year. Not be kwan. Which una go talk, una dey talk as well. Not be to carry and go court go say una right. Why the governor go dey do that sir? Why? Governor no dey pay workers. Governor no dey pay workers. All those some workers wey dey receive money for Nigeria wey dey pay room, they who sure they dey work. How much more you wey sit down begin dey campaign, dey talk of good of the governor? You say governor put you for one of the list. You now come and begin dey talk. You wey dey inside dey talk. My brother, no man, no woman wey dey Europe wey dey work for you say maybe whether the work you get as you not get as wey you go receive a more salary wey no be more than 2.something million naira. Na that one call say na way. Na that one call say na lazy youth. Abeg brother, make we dey maintain our speech. If you dey talk to person, make we dey maintain am. If you dey insult mother, father, una dey put respect. Say because of say you hold barrow and paper or you hold telephone, you are alpha and omega, you can insult anybody. Brother, life never end. Today can be your own, tomorrow can be other people own. Who thought say the table go turn read diaspora? Na now the table turn read the area of the diaspora now. Now people begin dey talk. Sister, brother, you wey just dey carry the matter dey waka dey go compose yourself o. Compose yourself, make you no go. If you pass here just now you go carry the enemy. You wey just dey carry the record, carry here, carry the talk, the one wey happen, the one wey no happen. Wetin dey pay me for inside na be all the old story wey una talk. Many wey be wey something like that no happen. They say because of say money don come, na the diaspora platform come activate. Diaspora platform no time. We dey activate 24 hours. We dey as we dey. Brother, abeg, una dey maintain una word. I dey beg una. Abeg, Pastor Iyamu, please respect our city governor so that we will still respect you. May God bless the good Edo people, home and abroad. My name remain Osazee, Efosa, Uwelu, Ego, TV. One love. Bye. Nado. I say, be Mona go read the article to tell our people say, not be so. The story wey una dey talk, Mona find person wey go tell una the main story, how the story take start, not the story wey una dey talk so. Not be so. Many story wey una dey talk, lie dey inside, truth no dey inside. Lie, many for inside. E many for inside though. E many for inside. Abeg, if you wan find the full truth, not to dey abuse, not to dey call the senior people, not to dey call this one name. No, that's not the best, brother. That's not the best. When you call yourself brother, father, still respect other father. When you call yourself mother, respect other people mothers. Okay? Please, we are begging you people. All those talk wey dey talk, so make we still dey put some respect for inside. Yeah? May God bless the good Edo people, home and abroad. One love, respect. Bye.